Okay, we're going to do a series of problems out of the back of Chapter 9 in order to finish up this chapter. The first one I'm going to do starts on page 485 and continues on page 486. It's problem 9-2A. And this one is Dexter Industries purchases packaging equipment on January the 8th for $72,000. It is expected to have a useful life of 3 years or 18,000 operating hours. At the end of those 3 years or 18,000 hours, it will have a residual scrap value of 4,500. It was used in year 1, 7,600 hours, 6,000 hours in year 2, and 4,400 hours in year 3. So we're to do each of the 3 methods that we went over during the lecture on Chapter 9. Straight line, units of activity or units of production, and double declining balance. So we start with the cost, and in this case it was $72,000. I'll make this a little bigger so that everybody can see it. The residual value is 4,500. Which gives us a base, a depreciable base of $67,500. $67,500. All right. So under straight line, we're going to take that base and divide it by the number of years. So we're going to take $67,500 and divide it by 3, and that gives us $22,500 for straight line depreciation. For units of production, we're going to use this for 18,000 hours. Taking the same depreciable base and now dividing it by 18,000 hours, it gives us $3.75 per unit. We have year 1, 2, and 3. The units in year 1 were 4,500, 7,600 for year 2, and 6,000. No, hold on. Reading all the wrong ones. 7,000 hours in year 1, 6,000 for 2, and 4,400. This is 7,600. So 7,600 hours for year 1. So these are hours. The rate is this. And the depreciation is multiplying the hours times the rate. For that as the depreciation. So this is the depreciation. For straight line, that's units of production. For double declining balance, we're going to use year. Book value at the beginning of the year multiplied by a rate will give us our depreciation. So the book value at the beginning of the year is year 1, and this is 1, 2, and 3 again. The beginning of the year is 72,000, the full. This is where it differs from the straight line and units of production. We're not going to use the depreciable base. We're going to use the book value. The rate is 100% divided by the number of years times 2. So we're going to go 1. We're going to go 1 divided by 3 times 2. And that's going to give us a depreciation rate of 6.66667. All right? I'm going to just do that. So if we multiply that times the rate, we get 4,800. Then we take the book value at the beginning of the year, 48,000, subtract the 48,000 depreciation that we took at the end of year 1, do the same. That gives us 16,000. Subtract that from the 24, we get 8,000, and we want to get down to the residual. So what's left? We have 8,000 minus 4,500, which gives us for our third and final year of 3,500. So this is problem 9-2A. Okay? All right. So that'll be the first of the recordings.